Hi, my name is Blake with the Electric Bike Company, and today I want to talk about our frames. So here I have a red Model X frame, and you can paint this frame to be any color you want with our color customizer. You can paint it to be primrose, barracuda blue, emerald green, orange, yellow, any color that you want, we can paint it. If you don't see the color on our website, just let us know what color you want it in, give us the color code, and we'll paint it that color for you. So going back to our frames, which is this one again right here. This is made of aircraft grade aluminum 6061, which is also stainless steel and rust resistant. So we build every single bike here in our facility in Newport Beach, California. So if you have any questions about our frames or our bikes, definitely visit our website at www.electricbikecompany.com for more information, or give us a call, email us, or find us on live chat, and we'll answer any question you have. And as always, safe travels and happy riding.